Hi guys, welcome back to We Rich, my journey where I go from an unemployed dude to financial independently. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to We Rich. It is currently Tuesday. We're actually at a property right now. We're doing a real estate photography gig. So this is going to be our new sort of business venture thing. So we're going to be continuing to get business and doing real estate photography for people. So that's sort of what's going on today. Later on today, I'm going to make some more cold calls and start filling up the schedule. And we're going to a RIA event. So I'll vlog a bit of that. Catch you guys up if anything exciting happens. Hey guys, welcome back to We Rich. So today is Wednesday, and yesterday we were at the RIA event, the main event that happens every first Tuesday of the month, excuse me. And while we were there, Devin and I were running the sound and some of the camera equipment, and I was going around taking pictures of everything. So I'm currently editing all that up. And then later on today, I need to do more cold calling for photography. Right now I have one written into the schedule, and we already had a job. So I've gotten 2 jobs so far on that, but I've only called like 30 people, so I'm doing fantastic. So I need to hop back on the phones and call people. I need to edit together a whole bunch of real estate videos. So today is full of cold calling and editing. Hopefully I can get it all done today. If anything else happens, I'll catch you guys up. Alright, it's Thursday. I'm about to edit together the vlog that I meant to put out yesterday. I've been super busy, super swamped recently. I've been starting the photography thing, and so I've been cold calling tons of people and photo editing and stuff like that. So if you guys are excited, these should be coming out on Wednesday. So going forward, I finally have caught up on all my editing and caught up on all my work. So today is the first day where I'm actually moving forward and not just lagging behind. So if you guys are excited about the future content for this channel, remember to subscribe. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, it's Friday. So today, I need to continue the cold calling process. Yesterday, I only called 24 people. It's taking like 2 hours. So, I mean, just need to keep doing it, get better and better at it. I just got an email from Carol, and she was talking about how last week I called her about drone photography on her property and how she's still interested in that. So I'm about to put her down on the books today, and that should be going next Wednesday, next Tuesday-ish. I think that's about all that's going on today. If anything happens, I'll remember to catch you guys up. So, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm about to go to McDonald's. I'm starving. It's breakfast time. Sort of. I'm actually, well, it's sort of breakfast time. My favorite fast food in general is the McChicken. So I waited till 10:30 so I can go get these McChickens. It's a little rainy today, kind of pretty. So we're gonna get some McChickens because it's cheap and the best thing on the planet. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys on the way. All right, we just got back. We got the goods, pretty hyped. I love McDonald's. It is literally my favorite fast food. The McChicken is the best invention America has ever invented. All right, so now I'm going to get to editing a little bit. Apparently Devin's friend Corey is coming over, so I need to clean up the kitchen so it doesn't look like a hot mess. So yeah, that's just kind of what's going on. All right, we just ate the goods, the McDonald's. The trailer's over there somewhere. I'm about to put in the headphones and I gotta do the dishes, so it's a mess. You know how it is. So I'll catch you guys after that. Alright guys, as you can see, this week was pretty epic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit subscribe. And remember to check out my channel on Wednesday because I have a vlog coming up. See you in the next one.